Yo, what is up guys, Guido here, back again with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do an oil change on your 2012 Chevy Impala. So let's just get straight into the video. Now this video will work from 2008 Impalas to 2013 Impalas, or just anything on the 9th gen W body platform, as these cars are basically pretty much the same. And I'm going to be doing a whole how-to on how to change the oil filter, and putting oil in the car. Now, if you want, you could just go to an oil change place and pay about like 20-30 bucks to do it there. But if you want, you can just spend a little bit more and know the job's getting done right and get to work on your car at home. So that is the route I'm gonna choose, because usually at those places, they over torque your drain bolt or something like that, and they end up messing up something. So just rather do it yourself. So let's just get straight into the video. And this is basically the stuff you're gonna need. You're gonna need your car's oil. Now the Impalas use SAE 5W30 full synthetic. So that's what I have right here, 5 quarts, and then I have an additional 1 quart because the car takes 6 quarts of oil. Your oil filter, this is the part number for this STP one. That's the extra life one, so it goes up to 10,000 miles. You can just get the regular one that only goes up to 5,000, but I wanted something a little bit better. Plus this filter is black instead of blue. And then your drain pan. And this was actually a pretty nice expensive drain pan because it locks and everything, and you can go and dispose of it properly rather than just dumping it in the street or whatever with one of the ones that doesn't go and close and seal. So that is everything you need right there. Now, next thing you need to do is jack up the vehicle and put some chocks at the rear of the wheels so your car doesn't roll back. And I also recommend putting the handbrake on, and then just go and jack up the vehicle. And as you can see, I have the car fully jacked up, supported on the jack stands and also with the jack, and the vehicle is chalked off in the rear with the parking brake on so it won't roll away. So right here is the drain pan, right next to the exhaust, and right there, that's just a 15mm socket right there that you need for that drain bolt right there. Okay, so now you just gotta break this bolt loose. So now you just have to go and remove your oil filter, which it sucks that it's mounted like this on the side in the engine bay. But anyways, just go under here and you should just be able to twist it off. And it sucks with this, it's kind of gonna go everywhere just because it's mounted on the side like this, and now you just have to go and put your filter on. As you can see, I already went and lubed the gasket with oil. Now you just need to go put it down here and install it. And as you can see, it is 100% installed. And make sure you just go and tighten it hand tight. And as you can see, it's pretty much done dripping, so you can just go and reinstall your drain bolt. And once your drain bolt is tightened, you can go and fill your oil. Like I said, this is the oil that I'm gonna be using. This is what the car calls for. And this car calls for 6 quarts of this, so this is 5 quarts, and then you're gonna need another small little one, which would equal 6 quarts. And once you're done going and filling the car, make sure you go and put the car on level ground and actually start it, because the way this oil filter is mounted, there isn't any oil in it. So you got to let the car run so that can get filled with oil and the whole thing can recirculate around so you can get an accurate level reading. But like I said, this car takes 6 quarts. So you just go and put in the full 6 quarts. And once you're done, you are done with changing your oil. And once you go and recheck your oil level and it's good, you are completely done with doing an oil change on your Impala. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and peace.